the Shadow Puppet Museum. And inside, I bet there are lots of fun shadow puppets, and maybe they even have a show. Let's go.
We're at the Kaohsiung Shadow Puppet Museum. And as you see, Olivia's in the back there, putting on a little puppet show with a worm. We're going to learn about shadow puppets here and the origins of shadow puppets. And they even have some cool books here about shadow puppets.
And in Chinese.
And it's in Chinese. To make a shadow puppet show, you need 6 things. First, of course, you need puppets. Next thing you need is a light source. In the past, they used candles. These days, they use regular lights. And then, you're going to need a screen to put the puppets in front. Finally, the last 3 things you need are a puppet master, somebody to move the puppets around. And you also need music and a script. The scripts come from ancient days. They're all handwritten, and they're now being brought to a new generation here in Taiwan. Shadow puppets are what they had before they had TV. So in the olden times, of course, they didn't have TV or movies. This is what they had. And people would gather around when the shadow puppet troupe would come into town. They'd all get together. And it'd be like going to the movies, and they would all watch a show. So they have this cool shadow puppet screen right here. As you see, I'm the dragon guy. Arm right, arm this way, and as I move, the shadow puppet dragon moves. Turn around. Ah, turn around. I'm trying to get you. Hello, tiger. Pump myself bigger.
Station, and like it has like so cute little cat decorations. They drew like cats on rocks, on the walls, and even on the glass. It's so cute. Look at these cute cats on the wall. And there's a mouse. Oh, look at that cat up there. It's like looking at that mouse. Ooh.
Here we are. We have a little train. Olivia's driving, so if we crash, it's her fault.
Hey!
Hey!
You got to drive. Choo choo! Choo choo!
Here we are, driving through an old sugar factory.
Hey, what's that?
Today we're at the Taiwan Sugar Museum. This is an old decommissioned sugar factory, and there are sugar factories all over Taiwan that have been disused for years, and now they've turned it into a tourist attraction with art installations and cart rides and shows and such. So we were at another one called the 10 Drum Circle a little while ago, but today we're going to try and see what's in this one. Blue line, are you starting all right? Why are you going so fast, Olivia?
I didn't mean to. Oh my God!
Oh no, watch out for that wall!
No, the
There's
hole.
a wall above. There's a wall.
Hey, turning. Hey.
Are you driving good, Olivia?
Yes.
Watch out! Go straight.
This is the temple. Oh,
Wow, it's so pretty. Look at all the pink flower, Olivia,
yeah.
above you.
Wait, this is the Tantrum Village. This is the Tantrum Village.
Is it the 10 Drum Village?
Yeah.
But Tendrong village is in Thailand. This is Kaohsiung.
This could be a different one.
Yeah, this is a different one. It's under the same developer.
Same but different.
Another abandoned sugar factory?
Yes, there's a bunch of them around. Taiwan used to make a lot of sugar. So now we have all these abandoned sugar factories all over the place. Uh-oh. Now what do we do, Olivia? The blue line goes two ways.
We go both ways.
Okay, let's
We can go both ways?
Let's go the right side.
Okay, quick, split in half.
Oh, what? Let's go that way.
Okay. That's your fault if it's gonna crash.
Oh, stop
Oh, it
here.
says turn
Oh, you can go
around.
visit here.
Auto mode. Auto mode is really nice. We're in a movie. With auto mode. Movie.
Oh no, what are you doing again?
I'm not doing
Crazy
anything.
again.
I'm not doing anything.
What? That's why you're not. You gotta steer straight. Oh no. Time for some buns.
Xiaotou Thai Chen meat buns. Let's see. Let's see what kind they have. They have regular. I think I'll just get a regular though. Oh my God, I got these cute little cat ones. Hello.
你们要肉包吗？
那
要馒头
个招牌鲜肉包吧。
两个哈。
一个。谢谢。Fun time! I got a regular meat bun, so I didn't need anything in particular, but let's still try it and see how good it is. Now I got my bun, let's go back. How am I going to grab it about?
You only need one hand to drive.
Yeah. Let's go. Looks like a factory.
Are you driving good? Which way, left or right?
Love Park.
Looks like forward.
Forward? You're driving.
It's so pretty metal umbrella.
Sugar factory. That's the sugar
There's the
factory.
sugar factory.
Oh.
You gonna get some sugar?
Hey, look. They have a little picture that shows what's inside.
You can go what's inside?
Yeah, we can go inside, I think. We came in here a little late, so this place closed at 4:30, so we couldn't get in. Yay! I can fly!
What?
Fly! Mustang. It must be Olivia.
Whoa.
Olivia is holding camera. It's nobody driving.
I am driving it. I got a hand on the wheel.
We had a great time exploring the sugar factory. Now it's back to the railway station. Look, there's a cat that's wanted for being adorable and useful.
They want it.